Wow. So, my God. Definitely like all are up. Like all upper. Wow. That definitely feels completely like just stretched apart like an accordion. So this was like insane. Like this was crazy. Wow. Everything, there's so much movement as what the guy in South Carolina said, like there's like a lot of movement and man.
Good feeling?
Yeah, definitely a good feeling. Like I feel like really like I guess relieved. Like I'm just like
A sense of relief.
Yeah.
Good.
Wow. Undescribable. As what everyone says on the internet, completely undescribable. Gotta have it done.
Alright, awesome.
Wow. Oh my God. I can't wait to like sleep and then wake up tomorrow and just feel the difference. Like I feel so much straighter. I had such a forward head posture issue, like which you've told me before in the past, and it definitely feels way more improved. Like I don't have to try to keep my head posture, my neck, just my whole spine just feels completely
You're getting a better alignment.
straightened out. Yeah.
Awesome.
Thank you so much, doctor. Really appreciate it.